Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here, playing with a piece of polished stainless steel. On this side, this is polished actually, believe it or not, and this side was treated with a proprietary abrasive, the smallest and hardest in its class, at a very specific pressure. This is something that we're doing to engine internals to increase the performance and the fatigue strength. We're actually increasing compression on the surface, so we're doing micro dimpling and reducing surface area contact on the part. This is very controlled, and this image is actually at 250 times magnification, so you can see the micro dimples of the part versus the polished surface. But this is something that you can do in your home garage, believe it or not, or this is something you can do in your business to increase the value of your products or services. If you guys have questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We can always help you set up a process just like this. Thanks for watching.